Tired of flimsy workbenches that can't handle your toughest projects? The right portable workbench can make all the difference in efficiency and durability. In this video, we'll dive into the best portable workbenches on the market, helping you find the perfect balance of strength, portability, and convenience for your workspace needs. Let's get started. If you're after a versatile, high-performance portable workstation, look no further than the WORX PEGASUS 2-in-1 folding work table and sawhorse. This compact yet sturdy workbench is the perfect blend of portability and heavy-duty support. Whether you need it as a work table or a sawhorse, the PEGASUS can handle up to 300 pounds in table mode and 1,000 pounds as a sawhorse, making it incredibly adaptable to various tasks. The lightweight design, only 30 pounds, makes it easy to carry from site to site, and it folds down for compact storage. Its construction with molded ABS plastic and steel supports ensures durability, while the included clamps and clamp dogs give you the stability you need for precise work. Plus, the table's built-in measuring guide saves you time searching for tape measures or rulers. What sets the WORX PEGASUS apart is its ease of use. The folding mechanism allows for quick setup and takedown, and the table fits perfectly in tight spaces, ideal for those working in small workshops or outdoors. Whether you're working on woodworking, painting, or repairs, this table offers an excellent combination of flexibility, portability, and heavy-duty performance. For the price, you're getting a highly functional, long-lasting tool that performs well across a wide range of tasks, truly a standout in its category. The Keter JOBMADE portable workbench and miter saw table is a must-have for anyone in need of a versatile and sturdy work surface. This portable workbench excels in both functionality and convenience, making it the top choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Crafted from durable resin with aluminum legs, it's designed to withstand tough jobs, supporting up to 1,000 pounds of weight without a hitch. One of the standout features of the Keter JOBMADE table is its ease of use. With a setup time of under 30 seconds, simply remove the legs from their storage space and pop them into place. The table's compact design, which folds down to just 4.4 inches thick, allows for hassle-free storage and portability. Weighing in at under 30 pounds, it's light enough to be carried with the built-in handle, making it ideal for transport to job sites or moving around your workspace. Additionally, the workbench offers ample space for projects, measuring 38.19 inches long by 25.39 inches wide by 31.89 inches high when extended. The discrete storage compartment is a great addition, keeping your tools organized and easily accessible. Plus, the included 4 holding clamps ensure materials stay securely in place while you work. The JOBMADE workbench is perfect for a wide range of tasks, from woodworking to home improvement. The stability provided by the leg stabilizers ensures a level working surface, even on uneven ground. If you're looking for a reliable and portable workbench, the Keter JOBMADE is an excellent choice. Introducing the BLACK+DECKER WORKMATE WM125 portable workbench, an excellent choice for those looking for a reliable and compact work surface. With a durable steel frame and wooden vise jaws, this workbench is designed to handle up to 350 pounds, making it a sturdy option for a variety of tasks. The adjustable swivel pegs are perfect for clamping irregularly shaped materials, adding versatility to its functionality. What sets the WM125 apart is its portability. Weighing just 14.9 pounds, it's incredibly lightweight and easy to carry. Its foldable design allows for effortless storage, folding down flat to a thickness of just 5 inches, which is ideal for tight spaces or on-the-go projects. The slip-resistant feet provide added stability, ensuring that the workbench stays in place during use. The dual clamp cranks allow you to quickly adjust the wooden jaws, providing a secure hold on your project materials. Whether you're working on DIY tasks, home improvements, or commercial projects, the WM125 is versatile enough to handle a wide range of jobs. Additionally, the portable design ensures that it can easily be transported between different work sites. In conclusion, the BLACK+DECKER WORKMATE WM125 portable workbench offers a perfect balance of strength, portability, and functionality. Its sturdy construction, lightweight design, and ease of use make it a valuable addition to any workspace. If you're looking for a reliable, space-saving workbench that can tackle a variety of tasks, this is a great choice. Next up, we're talking about the WORX SIDEKICK folding work table, the ultimate portable workbench for any DIYer or professional. This compact powerhouse is perfect for those who need a lightweight yet sturdy table that can handle heavy-duty tasks with ease. The SIDEKICK stands out with its impressive 300-pound weight capacity, making it more than capable of supporting saws, hammers, drills, and any project you throw at it. Designed for portability, the SIDEKICK weighs just 13 pounds, so you can easily carry it from job to job. It's built with rugged ABS and steel, ensuring it can stand up to the rigors of any workshop or job site. Despite its light frame, it holds firm and stays stable, even on uneven surfaces. The legs lock into place, so you won't have to worry about wobbling or instability when working. The real beauty of the WX066 is its ability to fold up in seconds, freeing up space when you're done. Whether you're in a cramped garage or a job site with limited room, this folding table takes up minimal space. Need a bigger surface? No problem. You can link multiple tables together using the included link locks for an expanded work area. Equipped with 4 clamp dogs to secure your projects, the SIDEKICK is a versatile work surface for a variety of tasks. Whether you're assembling furniture, working with wood, or cutting materials, this portable workbench is a reliable choice. For a work table that combines strength, portability, and convenience, the WORX WX066 SIDEKICK is a must-have. Introducing the Keter folding work table, a game changer for anyone needing a reliable and portable workspace. This compact, lightweight table offers a remarkable combination of sturdiness and convenience, making it a standout option for DIYers, woodworkers, and professionals alike. The table's strong build allows it to support up to 1,000 pounds, easily handling heavy-duty tasks like sawing, drilling, and assembling. Its 12-inch clamps can be positioned either horizontally or vertically, offering versatility and making sure your projects stay secure. Despite its robust design, the Keter folding work table is incredibly easy to set up. Ready for use in just 30 seconds, you won't waste any time getting to work. It folds up neatly, allowing for convenient storage and transport, whether you're working in the garage, on-site, or anywhere else. The weather-resistant polypropylene and heavy-duty resin construction ensures durability, while the aluminum legs add extra stability without adding weight. One of the standout features of the Keter work table is its versatility. Whether you're using it for woodworking, home improvement projects, or job sites, it can accommodate a wide range of tasks with ease. The quick opening and folding system makes this workbench a true space saver, and its lightweight nature means you can carry it wherever your work takes you. In summary, the Keter folding work table offers impressive strength, portability, and durability at an affordable price. It's a perfect companion for any serious project. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, this workbench will get the job done.